Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys are wondering why your messenger chat head is not working, well you guys are at the right video, because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and let's dive right into the video, shall we? So if you guys don't know what messenger head is, then this is basically what messenger head is. If somebody messages you and the message pops out and you don't have to open messenger to see it, you can just click on the head and you can watch the message sent by the person or the group. Then this is what they call messenger head. Now what messenger head does is messenger head makes our work easy. Now if somebody messages us, we can just return their message or watch what they messaged us just by doing this. We don't have to go into messenger and see. But if your messenger head is not working, then basically whenever somebody messages you, the message head won't pop outside. You need to go to messenger to check it. So that's the problem. So let me show you guys how you guys can fix it. The first thing is you can take any chat into chat head like this. So let's say I want to take this YouTube group into a chat head. I can open it, I can click on this icon, and I can click on this three dot, and I can click on open chat head, and this messenger group or this message will be taken to chat head format like this. If I want to close it, I can just drag it to X. Now let's say it's not working. Now the reason why it not works, the first reason is if you have turned your chat heads off. So to turn it on, you can click on your picture over here at the top, and you can scroll down and turn on where it says chat heads. So this is what chat head is. So if it is turned off, then your chat heads won't be displayed outside. So you need to turn it on. So make sure your chat head is turned on. And if your chat head is turned on, then it's gonna be displayed outside as well. So that's basically how you guys can fix it. But let's say somehow your chat head is not being displayed even after you turned it on, basically just delete messenger and reinstall it again. It should fix it. So yeah, that's how it works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.